Think your VPN has your back? Think again. You might be browsing with a false sense of security, because your VPN could be leaking your data right now without you even knowing. Stick around, because we're diving into how these leaks happen, how to test your own VPN, and what to do if it's selling you snake oil instead of privacy. Let's back up a bit. A VPN, or virtual private network, is supposed to encrypt your internet connection and hide your IP address. Think of it like Harry Potter's invisibility cloak, except some of them are made in cheap factories with holes in them. There are three major ways your VPN could be leaking data. DNS leaks. Your ISP still sees what websites you're visiting. WebRTC leaks. Sneaky browser features exposing your real IP. IPv6 leaks. New internet protocol. Same old vulnerabilities. These leaks can completely bypass your VPN tunnel and reveal your identity, location, or even browsing habits to nosy advertisers, hackers, or, even worse, your boss. Let's find out if your VPN is a backstabber. Here's how to test it in under 2 minutes. Go to dnsleaktest.com. Make sure your VPN is on when testing. Step 2. Check if your real IP or DNS provider, like your local ISP, shows up. To test this, you should first disconnect from the VPN and note your current IP address. After you have the IP address, connect back to the VPN and go to dnsleaktest.com and perform the extended test. If the test reveals your original IP address, Houston, we have a privacy problem. Alright, so what if your VPN is leaking? Don't uninstall it just yet. Here's how to plug those holes. Fix number 1. Enable the kill switch. Most decent VPNs have this. It blocks all traffic if your connection drops. Fix number 2. Disable WebRTC in your browser. For Chrome, use the WebRTC control extension. For Firefox, open the browser, type about config, search media.peerconnection.enabled, and set it to false. Fix number 3. Disable IPv6 from your network adapter settings if your VPN doesn't support it. Short answer, yes. Free VPNs often log your data, bombard you with ads, and some even sell your info. That's like hiring a bodyguard who also works for the people chasing you. If you're serious about privacy, go for a trusted, audited VPN provider. And remember, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. So, is your VPN protecting you, or just playing pretend? Now you know how to test it, fix it, and avoid the sketchy ones. Drop a like if you've ever trusted the wrong VPN. Subscribe to 404 Fix Found for more digital survival tips. And drop your comments below if you are facing any PC-related issue, and I'll be there turning chaos into smooth sailing. And remember, if Microsoft won't fix it, we probably will. Catch you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.